Yes, now opportunity for KFC Krishnapura. Their president Sadiq is in Saudi Arabia. If KFC win this match, they will get 10,000 rupees cash prize from Sadiq of KFC. This time, oh, caught and ball opportunity. Dayanand just missed that ball. How costly, that's not an easy catch, no doubt about it. But in this situation, he could have been take that catch. But the single-handed 19 for the loss of 3 wicket over number 3. Oh, caught and ball taken here. Now some twist in this match. In fact, Siddiq in Saudi Arabia. So 20 for the loss of 4 wickets. This match is getting really interesting. Siddiq Al Ghasim watching the match through Bedra Media is offering 10,000 rupees for KFC Krishnapura. But job is not easy at all. I think now the young dynamic Nihal into the middle. He came a little bit late. Normally yesterday he came at number 3. What a solid player Nihal. He is such a fine cricketer, especially matter in a single in every ball. He is a wonderful batter to do that. Even yesterday morning, in fact today morning actually, we seen his batting. He is a fabulous player. But Dayanand Tendulkar, he is the genuine wicket taker. Oh, sensible batting. He saw the line of the ball very correctly, then played the reverse into that short point direction, went for the single off the mark with that shot. Over number 3 completed, 21 on the board. Now equation showing 18 ball remaining. 15 runs required to win this match. Exactly 5.00 required to win this match. At this situation now, everyone feels that KFC Krishnapura upper hand. But cricket is an unpredictable game. Anything can possible. Wait and see. One tight over. Malingeshwara Karkala. They can strongly come back in this match. Before that, so I request all the members of NM Mangalore who were pending to sign along with the KFC Todar, please complete the sign at official chart and get ready for the next match. And also captain ready for the toss. Yes, here, this is a crucial over for the both team. If fielding team able to get one good over, which conceding less than a 3 run, definitely Malingeshwara Karkala, they can come back. For KFC Krishnapura, without losing any wicket, if they able to get minimum 6 runs also, they are driving seat in this first semi-final match of in this most prestigious Todar Cup 2024. Pack crowd here. Look at that around the boundary line. We can see every cricket lover enjoying this match. Why not? The proud of Krishnapura, KFC Krishnapura, proud from Karkala, Malingeshwara Karkala. They are playing each other here, and it's going to be one nail-baiting finish here. Intelligent batting. How matured Nihal is in under-arm cricket. So Sadiq Arabi in Al Ghasim is offering 10,000 rupees for KFC Krishnapura if they win this match. Back to the bowler drive. Some interesting starts here. Sandeep is a quality bowler. Today morning he got a man of the match for his brilliant spell of bowling, which just conceded 6 runs and picked up 2 wickets. That's why he's such a fantastic bowler. He's a magnificent bowler. Leg spin can do the magic. How many times we've seen in under-arm cricket? Leg spin doing the magic, especially under floodlight. Oh, once again back to the bowler drive. I think the batter made a mistake. Nagaraj. Now look at that. Young Nihal went to his partner. That's good to see in a cricket field. Even he's a young cricketer. But look at the advice he's passed to his partner there. He's such a fabulous player, Nihal, no doubt about it. He's definitely going to be one very good cricketer in Anram cricket, no doubt about it, Nihal. Good delivery. This time lovely shot into that long on and collected easy single. So after a couple of dot ball, now the single came. It means 15 ball remaining and 14 ball and 13 run required. 14 ball, 13 run required. Oh, look at the Nihal. He is finding the gap in everywhere. When Nihal is batting, this is a treat to watch because he is such a kind of player. Naturally gifted underarm cricketer. Single in every ball. That's what exactly KFC Krishnapura required here. But Sandeep is such a fine bowler. Can he get one dot ball? Couple of dot ball. Definitely they can put some pressure. Nagaraj once again straight down the ground. Long off field. Nawaz collected the ball. And batsmen had enough time to take the single. In the first innings, I feel that they actually could have been promoted Nawaz a little bit early. Because not only is a good player, and also he's a left-handed batsman. Under floodlight, if you have the left-handed batsman, send early. Try to make some mistake from the bowler if there is left-hand, right-hand combination. Now, umpire, there is a drinks break, yes. So thank you DJ and Dancing Dolls really enjoying every moment. This match is getting really interesting now. At one moment when Taslim hit 6 we thought it. After that 3 consecutive white ball. 12 ball 11 run required. Lines. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರಳಿ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶುಚಿತ್ವಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒರೆಸಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿತ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟದ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂತ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಣ್ಯಾತಿ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಟಿ.ಎಚ್. ಇಸ್ಮಾಯಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಲ್ಟೆಕ್ ಇದರ ಮಾಲಕ ಅಂತ ಉವೈಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವದ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಾಫೀರ್ ಅವರು ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಟಿ.ಎಚ್. ಇಸ್ಮಾಯಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ Umpire, just a second. Yes, there is a little bit of miscommunication in the scoreboard. And 7 run came in that second over. A scoreboard is showing 6 run actually. 3 wide and 4 singles. 3 wide and 4 singles. 1 wicket and 1 dot ball. 1 wicket, 1 dot ball, 4 singles and 3 wide ball. 7 run came in that over. So everything is short now. 11 ball, 9 run required now. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೂಚನೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಡಿ. ನಾವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 12ನೇ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಗಾರರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಎಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ನೌ. Umpire, just one ball complete right now. Yes, 11 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 9 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. So 27 for the loss of 4 wickets. Oh, this time went for the reverse sweep. It's taken a single sensible batting from these two pair. Nagaraj and Niyal. Remember, if match come to an end tie, wicket will decide who will go to the final. Malingeshwar Karkala, they lost 6 wickets. KFC Krishnapura so far 4 wickets. Remember, both team captain and owner, if match come to an end tie, wicket will decide who will reach the final. Third time is poorly marked. Dayanand. Good delivery, lovely ball that. There's a dot ball. That's a precious dot ball. Now things are getting really interesting now. 9 ball and 8 run required. Yeah, that's a good delivery. That's a brilliant delivery just inside the tram line. Oh, this time just played wide of the fielder. Oh, they're going for the second run. Better throw. My goodness. Now Sheikh Malali asking for the third umpire. Look like a touch and go. Sometime batsmen may be struggling. Wait and see what third umpire is saying it. Good accurate throw into the hand of the bowler. Yes, that's an easy call. Bat not landed. So run out. Sorry, just a second. Yes, there's a final confirmation from the third umpire is out. Yes, the batsman walking back to the pavilion. So 4.4, 29 for the loss of 5 wickets. 8 ball, 7 run required. The chase is getting really interesting. Shimmy down the track. Short cover fielder. He just collected that. Taken a single. Now 7 ball and 6 run required. Still anybody's game. Remember KFC Krishnapura. They lost 5 wickets. Malingeshwara Karkala. They lost 6 wickets in the first innings. And definitely it's getting tense chase here. 7 ball and 6 run required. Next match for the toss. I request NM Mangalore captain and KFC Todar captain. Organizing team member Rizwan, please come to the comment box immediately. 7 ball and 6 run required. This is a crucial ball from Dayanand. What a champion is. What an outstanding cricketer Dayanand. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ತಂಡ ನಾಯಕರು ಮಾಲಕರು ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಅವರು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಟೈ ಆಗಿ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಟೈ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಓವರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯ ಕುರಿತ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸತ್ತಾರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಪುರ. ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಭವ್ಯ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Six ball, 5 run required. Oh, fielder made a mistake. NM Mangalore won the toss against KFC Todar. Single in a first ball, 5 ball, 4 run required for KFC Krishnapura. Both dugouts, stunned silence. Heart is pumping now in both dugouts. 4 required from 5 delivery. At this situation, anybody's game now. Oh, they went for the run. They went for the run. Is that only buys? Is there is any bat involved? Inside edge of the bat, signal from the umpire. That came from the bat actually. So, one more run added now. The time is up. Fielding team captain, you need to keep one extra fielder. I think this move will help fielding team captain actually. They will not feel that much hurt because extra fielder they desperately need inside the circle. The time is up. Now they can keep only 4 fielder outside the 30-yard circle. 4 ball, 3 run required. What a fabulous match. Match of the night. KFC Krishnapura, Malingeshwara Karkala. They are just battling hard here to reach the final of in this Todar Cup 2024. 3 required from 4 delivery. Sensible batting required here. Mazin, sensible cricketer. Just push the ball into the area. 1 run completed. 2 run completed. Now they are almost there. Scores are level. Remember, they lost 5 wickets. Now, not only need a dot ball, Malingeshwara Karkala, also they need a wicket. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಬದಿಗೆ ಸರಿರಿ. Play the big shot, Mazin! What a shot! KFC Krishnapura reach the final of in this most prestigious Todar Cup 2024. Congratulations KFC Krishnapura. Comprehensive victory in the end. He just played a lovely shot, confident looking shot from the bat of Mazin. Brilliant innings. Congratulations KFC Krishnapura. Yes, I request KFC Krishnapura supporters